my name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. This is day number 6 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing, and we've been talking a little bit every day about why Jesus came. We started with creation at the very beginning of the Bible because that starts the story, and we are going to continue it today with day 6 of creation. But first, let's check in on Zoe and see what she's up to. Looks like she finally got the Christmas tree back. I bet her friend Tom helped with that. And now Rosie is helping her get some decorations on it. I bet it's going to look pretty when she's done. We'll check back in a few minutes and see how she's doing. But first, let's you and I read about day 6 in creation. Okay, Genesis chapter 1, starting in verse 24. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature according to its kind, cattle and creeping thing and beast of the earth, each according to its kind." And it was so. When it says according to its kind, that just means he made cows to be cows and horses to be horses and sheep to be sheep, so that when they have their babies, they're just little ones of their mommy and daddies. And it's kind of like how he did the fruit. Remember when he talked about the fruit and the vegetables, the seed was of its kind, meaning that it would produce more of itself. It's the same thing with the animals. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over the cattle, over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him. Male and female, he created them. Then God blessed them. That's so good. And God said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over every living thing that moves on the earth." And God said, "See, I have given you every herb that yields seed, which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed. To you it shall be for food. Also to every beast of the earth, to every bird of the air, and to everything that creeps on the earth in which there is life, I have given every green herb for food." And it was so. Then God saw everything that he had made, and indeed it was very good. So the evening and the morning were the 6th day. Isn't that amazing? He made all of the animals on day 6, and he made people. He made Adam and Eve. He made them so that they could have human babies. The animals could have animal babies. And then he said, "I made food for you to eat." And he showed Adam and Eve all of the things that he made for them. Isn't that a wonderful thing? While he was doing all of that, he was thinking about you. He was thinking about me, and he was thinking about all of the boys and the girls and the people that would one day fill the earth. Well, I'm curious what he's going to do on day 7. I already know, actually. You may know too. We're going to find out tomorrow what happens on day 7 of creation. But right now, let's check in and see how Zoe and Rosie are doing with that Christmas tree. Looks like they're all kicked back and relaxed. The tree looks good. They made a lot of progress while we were reading, didn't they? That was a long passage, wasn't it? Well, before we go, we've got one more thing to do. We're going to unbox day 6 of our Breyer Advent Calendar. So let's see what we've got. Oh, look at this. Tiny, tiny, looks like bags of grain. That's really important for the horses. You know, horses need a lot of different kinds of food to eat. We just read about all of the herbs, all of the green plants that God put on the earth for the beasts of the field, that would be like the horses, and the people to eat. And then we unwrap some. So we'll add this to our little collection of gifts that we're putting together for Zoe that we'll give to her in just a couple weeks. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you on day 7. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't so that you won't miss it when the next episode comes out. See you guys later.